Alright, so I've done some testing on the new build. I had two blue strings that were RAM related, but I'm hoping it's just a driver issue. I loaded the proper drivers onto it, as well as the chipset and stuff. I haven't used it much. Maybe it's probably a bad idea, but I'm gonna go ahead and swap it over anyway. But I can't really test it until I have it the way I need it, so fuck it. Worst comes down to it, it does listen to have RAM issues. I've popped one stick out and, RMA it later, so. But, hopefully it's just RAM, so. Always the drivers, but if not, then hopefully it's RAM. So, fuck it. We're gonna go ahead and tear apart the build that started it all. Over 6 years ago, I built this computer. Not in its current form, but I started off with, holy shit, I think these on a lot. With this board, this CPU, not this RAM, like that was not a test build, but we went from there. And today it's gotta lose some parts and give them to the new build. Passing me the torch if you will. Good. I'm really tighten the fuck out of that one. For some reason. Oh, see, I forgot to get the zip ties, so fuck it, whatever. We'll do it later. Let's just get this belt up and running, man. Well, fully up and running. Oh. That was the sites with the standoff out of the case. Damn. Alright. I got really tight. That's not good. Alright. Just way the fuck this is kind of annoying. Right now. Yeah, 3 cards per button. Really, the new one has a serial card, but a serial option in the messenger. Like, it has a serial port, but there's no, it's not on the board, but the card is not. So I missed it, but it's annoying that, like, the chip is there, but, because it shows it in the messenger, but there's no port on the board for it. Annoying. Anyhow, let's get this. Yeah, wait a minute, fuck it. I'll put the 10 gig next first. Go way up. Let's see that, sort of. I'll keep the screw in the case. I'll show you that later. The release tab shouldn't be in play because it's too short. So let's put on it. First time I can read it, rather. Next up, the capture card. The Elgato 8060 Pro. Don't run it through. Good. On this. That did been wrong. And my last GPU. So my left has it. Pull it up, stand there. We have 2 screws holding it in. And then you hit the release tab on the board. And then move that screw down where the neck was. Tighten down that other one bit. Move the next screw. I've been here for a couple months. recently upgraded. Right, as a weakness, so the video on that one yet. I forgot to edit it. Oops. Shit. Basically, I haven't gotten the zip ties yet, so that's already I forgot. So we'll do that. I'll have to put this to do it and come back later and do this. Are these cables loose? I keep reading checking. I know they use the front LED and the UP doesn't really work on this case. Ow, fucking bench. Damn. My head on topper. But I guess the LED will work and the UP doesn't work, but yeah. I don't care because it's in the case anymore. Alright, push down on this one. Pushing on the up on the change on the outside or inside. At least the 40, 60. I don't know. Put this one off. Full break. Very pissed off it does. Oh, I gotta put it in. There it is. That's not worth it, no. Alright, the board stays, RAM stays, SSD out. That's why now will stay, it was before. When Behringer order it stays. I think it is just the SSD now. Take my extruder. About my 970, yeah. I even have my keep this as my boot drive. Not move it to, what I was going to do. Pull that out. I did before him make an image drive just in case something goes wrong. Put in the new mode, that shouldn't, but. So this, my Windows booting will still work. It has internal GPU, has RAM, board, CPU power supply. This will still work. No boot device, but it will still work. So a new drive, a new OS, drivers, keep a working computer, no problem. Just, I do not think anything too important. Not as good anymore, obviously, because, you know, no upgrades, but when in this state, it will still be somewhat useful. And you get ours on there, and it'll be just fine. Alright, we're not finished with this yet, but for this video, we are. Because we got what we need out of it. Now upstairs and drive the new build and get that up here. Then stand it up with it so I can get it back in there. Do it that way. No, I've done with it. When I did the GB over. The Vengance. Then you go. Put this to the side. Grab a new PC and we'll work on that. Alright, yeah, those Venture. Screw the editor at first. Cut the pin off. There we go. That's right. Okay. Move this over here. Alright. So we do is the SSD. It's under the finishing pressure. I know to do that and not be able to fucking get it in. Here we go. And so much easier now. This is again the boot drive out of the old machine. I'll just keep my Windows installed. I'm not going to do that. Right. Boot out. For that 5 minutes, I'm opening the case up. Or closing the old case up. Push down on the driver. Tighten it there. Alright, cool. Now, hopefully we can still use this slot here. I'm assuming that's the best one. But it's silver. So if I take my GPU here, go to the first slot. I really thought using that first slot, using the second one and third one. Interesting, but alright. Oh, probably, okay, yeah, duh, because the board's not. Duh, never mind. Because that board is not made for the PC case, they're not made together. Gotcha. Right. So I'll stop right here, use that one, and then, okay, yeah, duh. Dumbass. Let's take out the second slot case here. Yeah. So they're taking the shit out of everything back here. And this is no exception. Thank you. Okay, good. The 60 beans all because it's 8 pins. I grab that. But we're good because it's already got it. Pop these two covers out. One cover. Say these because I never know when to get them. Alright. Slot open. Back my GPU again. Drop it in. Drop the slots. And push it down. Is it in there? I guess so. get that again out. Yeah, so. Alright. So there's a the GPU, the case here. Unless I'm leaning away from the case, but like over the student. Can't have you popping around, didn't you? Alright. Now, GPU. I think the slider without having to pull the GPU out. That's good. Yeah. And then plug this in there. But this equals 2 and plus 2 just moving around a bit. Now that can be pour back down there later. You come back in here and do the okay. So this currently is a small amount of a smaller connection. Put that one right there. And I'll put the other card below it. We'll pop this one over here. Out. Pop this. Do it. Power. Off. Temperature. And I'll get our out bucket. Check minute, sure, I gotta do. Yeah. That's in there. Let's get rid of the driver. Gonna blow it. God damn it. Dang this shit right. Nice, this bit. Fuck. I wonder if I should do this. Yeah. Yeah, I think. I'm back. I was like, huh? Alright. I'm gonna see a picture. To get rid of. Is it getting really light? There you go. Got 10 gig card. It's so smart, I need to pull the release tab out. It don't matter anyway, it won't give it. Right up. Push it in. And there we go, these are all our cards installed. This building should now be complete. There we go. Panel. Oh yeah. There we go. All together. Alright, let's take it upstairs. I will get it going. Alright. So, this is going great. Yeah. I think you're going to do a reset here. Yeah. I'll tell you what to do first and then we'll try to fix it. Oh, it's stuck. Lovely. Come on. Anyway. Okay, nope. Damn it. You're not going to, so fuck off. Alright, let's see. Alright, so, alright, so, as you can probably guess, this ain't a good thing. I brought it upstairs, hooked it all up, and it immediately blew screens. I have ideas of how to fix it, so, weirdly though, I used an image of this drive, put it on the other drive, and it booted just fine. Whatever. I'm assuming Kraken changes the root engine and it fixes this problem. But yeah, we're getting about process initialization build, and Googling that is a driver problem. So we're going to the phases here, and we're going to start repair, which is fucking worthless. I've never had been doing useful. Yeah, this is a fucking waste, a giant waste of everyone's time. Never does shit. It's worthless. So I do its thing. So I can't find your problem. Good luck. Yeah, fuck you, you worthless piece of crap. Hit options. We're gonna try for safe mother. Oh shoot. Hit options. Yes. Okay. I'm trying to get into safe mode here to boot without or not. It's so that I'm more like it is a driver issue. For enable safe mode. Shit, you serious? Fuck. And give an image of the drive I have to. I can pull that, but shit. Really planning to use it today. It's on my fucking other bill that's on the internal drive still. Cause I had to read it, but I had it just in case. Options. Yes, options. Yes. We can try that one too. But safe mode should get us around it too. Or we have it boot off the other drive first. I got corrupted this one. It shouldn't have, but it could have. Okay, bootlogging now. Let's try command prompt. Be better central here. Now. My Xbox running, not a fan. Not the computer. It's a fan. Fuck. This is annoying. But really using it, image worked just fine. Okay. Fuck. Let's try to get into here again. I think it's a driver. That doesn't do shit. We can use LS, but it's not gonna do shit because I can't get into. Yeah. Okay, what is this? This is the drive with Windows on it, Windows 11. Right? So the drive is being recognized. This is that way. Try this one. See, that's the problem. But where the image of this drive booted? So I find that weird as hell. So we can try to restore that image again. Or if I just hit one of the push function keys and not the number. Hit a number, just bypass the whole thing. I hit 7, not F7. Does that matter? If it does see the F keys, maybe it does, maybe we'll try that next. God, you are so fucking useless. I'm not gonna repair what? Nothing? Pretty much. Okay, advanced options. Oh shoot. Yeah, that wouldn't matter, but it does use the F key, so maybe hitting it on F key just ignores all that and removes it. I don't know. But it does, that is fucking stupid as shit. But this is Microsoft. A lot of bunch of morons. Because number keys or function keys, okay, never mind. So they're gonna do shit then. F4 is work. Yeah. Oh fuck. Okay, I have to pull that image off the other build. Fuck. It's on the drive I didn't exactly really put it up now. Oh yeah, I can, but there's no. Oh, that's why I meant to. Shit. So yeah, pull the drive out of it now. Fuck. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so. Have I my old friend? This is the old machine now. And I kinda need it out. I have no nose. BIOS. CSM enabled. That's all good. So exits. Save. This is the OPC. There's no boot drive in it. So I have a plan to copy the image off the old hard drive. I'm not reusing it in the new build. This might be no OS on here. And you probably guessed it already if you know my setup. My storage boots. Not frame reflect. Okay. So let's go into here now. What sucks is this is no longer a 10 gig NIC, it's a 1 gig NIC. A 10 gig is now in the new build. You got a really slow fucking transfer. Shit. Well, you'll have it sometimes. How much? Okay. Dog. Get it. Go here. Put this guy up. Not the network drive. Nope. Alright. The C drive, that's funny. Okay, I did this about 3 hours ago. Copy that. Drop it into the server. And that is going to take a fucking eternity. Lovely. Alright. I will come back with the server. Because it's going to be probably an hour. Ugh, fuck. Yeah. That is done. Shut it off here. Spanning F12. Boot menu. Okay, PXE. The adapter. Enter. Acronym. I do a few different things on here. I'm assuming it changes something where it stores it to make it boot. What that is, I don't know, I don't care. But I've used it in this older image from the computer, it worked fine, so we're gonna work on both devices though first. This part. This is 0, I don't really care. Can I clean it? Yes. Alright, this partition, and that should be, yep. One, clean that one off. One, two, right? Yes. Exit. Net use. Oops. Alright, browser file here. That didn't work. Forgot this part. That. Pre-swap. Restore image to. We're gonna go with the 500 gig drive. It shows that now. If I refresh it, There we go. Now that's showing blanks. Store to 500 gig drive. Yeah. Finish. Alright. And now hopefully it kicks off and starts to restore. Why is it being so slow? I have no idea. Such a little weird. Why are you being so goddamn slow? Why not enjoy kicked off later? There we go. Well, let's see what this does. I know it sounds stupid, but this might work. Or it might not, I don't know. We'll find out, right? Close, close. Reboot. Hook up here with the SSD and boot up, and hopefully we get to a desktop or a login screen. So I don't really care which. Oh, we don't like the login screen first because I have to log in. Better sign, there we go. I was saying there's new hardware on the computer. Haha. Since I'm changing something in Windows to make it boot off of the new hardware. That's annoying, but whatever. It worked, fuck it. What's wrong with it? It's probably easier if I were to do that, but fuck it, that worked. So, I'm good with it. So, let's try to do it now. Get this shit off. Yep. I'm gonna take a try for it. You gotta do it. And I got the other monitor now, huh? Yes. Okay, hold on, give me 1 second here. Change monitors. My desk is a 3-monitor setup. On the third monitor, it's HDMI. But now it's going to get displays on these main monitor, like it's supposed to. Okay. Now I got it. All 3 monitors on. I should get off this account because it's a bit hard to do it this way. Let me sign into my admin account here. Just for the dumb thing admin, fuck it. I lost my picture. I just did it blind. Alright. Hey, fucker. Get the key back, and it's gone. It's back. Weird card, okay. It should be, come on. What the fuck? Are you done yet? Jesus Christ. It's probably fucking up, but it's tight. Alright. So let's see here. Now you see the fucking computer more. Let's see if everything went to shit. No problem. May have the stuff for that. Got my server here, software, drivers, desktops. 14700k, we have drivers for it. I downloaded it on the other drive I was using, temporary. So we're all easier. On the admin account, makes it easier to breeze right through it. It won't bitch about me not being admin or whatever. I can't send it too. Been on for over an hour with backup replay going. And it's working, so hopefully it's stable. Well, these did take forever. Okay, for real. There's that. Oh, yeah. They struck these two, huh? Yeah, probably tool. Alright, let's just run these through. Then you get the NZXT thing too. Really cool, which doesn't work. The face on the screen on the TB block does shit. Okay, you can be fucking muted now. Scared the hell out of me. Okay, that's done. So now you have the voice meter here. We should see everything is loaded in. Yep. System, storage, sound, software, security, processors. See, it has the fucking serial port, but there's no port on the board for it. I just forgot the header. That's in there by default. Monitors. This is IGE, and there's no IGE ports on there. Stupid ass. Why is this not working? I have no idea. Power failure. Just a bad driver. And it's fucking useless. Let's get the driver for that. G790 DAC, I believe. Drivers, we want C11, recommend Bluetooth. Take the newer Bluetooth driver, if you loaded the wrong driver on it. If I do use my Xbox controller for gaming, I had a USB one with my old computer. I think I could have used that, I was going to, but fuck it, I have this. How would you go? Oh. Okay, right, because I pulled one on the server. Okay. Fire. Let's see, that fixes the Bluetooth out. So now, when I need to repair my controller because it's a different Bluetooth adapter, I don't know. See if that fix it. It did. Good. I turn it on now. Yeah, I have to. Okay. Settings. Add a device. Just put it in try mode. Connect the device. Good. Alright, cool. Oh, cool. This is better. Can I turn it? It's a weird joke. Can I turn it off? No. Pull that up. Yeah, it's not turned off. Okay, cool. So that works. You have some issues in here. You know, the audio works. That's all good in there. Blah. It's not working. I know, it's not working. No complaints in here. Good. My monitors. Got Bluetooth, you have Wi-Fi working supposedly. And the verdict says piss off. I'm curious. Sure is. Just turn it off. Never had a custom built computer with Wi-Fi on it, or I don't need it. It's kind of cool though. Don't get why that's there. Alright, printer's back. Fucking, is this 28 quarterly? 22, 4, 6, 28. Yep. 28 core, baby. TBM, whatever. I don't care. CD Pro. NVIDIA. That's my audio input mixer. Storage, NVMe, no SATA involved. CPI shit, which is all loaded up. It's all good, and that we need to load the software for. Let's do that now, we all set. What you want to use is the cam. And I put my start doing the drivers for the meter. Should need it for a while, but you know, never know. Whatever. I'm not gonna let it on here on this profile. I'm doing my main profile because I don't know if it'll go between the different user accounts or not. I'm back. Alright, I'm back on my main profile. We're gonna run the NZXT software. Yep, I read all of this. Done it. Here's our stats here. CPU, RAM, network, or storage. Is it accurate though for the task manager? I have to find out. And not really, no. These don't quite agree temperature-wise. Doesn't show what temperature I was looking for. Alright, screw that. Cooling. Some data here. Trying to change the screen display though. And here we go. Dual overdrive. Background color. Let's do blue. Like blue, yeah. We'll stick to the black. Fuck it. Range will look good. Some more settings. Get rid of the British shit. Don't need that here. This is America, motherfucker. You can't tell, this is a voiceover. Oh, dark mode, nice. When I change profiles, it quit recording audio, so thanks OBS. Piece of shit. Quitting out of that. And you can fuck right the hell off notification. This might be the end here. I'm probably looking at it, telling me what it says, and not realizing that, it's not recording the audio. Fucker. Alright, so interjection here. This is me from the future. The video's long done already, the video's done. I'm telling you guys, and trying to spoil it too much. So our next clip, like I said before, we're having some issues. The computer likes the blue screen. I thought I fixed it with software and some drivers. Turns out I did not. The one bad thing with inconsistent or intermittent problems with computers, you think you fixed it, but you don't know for sure because it's intermittent. Sometimes it just works, sometimes it does not. So that may be okay, the driver, driver issue, chipset driver, no. I installed those, I keep getting the same blue screens. I have a couple pictures here, not all of them. The first thing I got was called memory management. For those who don't know, RAM is memory. That screams RAM, obviously. As a page file or page fault in non-page area, page file reference there. The page file is used in conjunction with RAM. Like explain how or why, just know that is. So those two, I got other like kernel error. I don't know what that is, but it all screamed RAM. Now, if you remember part 1, when I put it all together, the computer did not post at first. Pulling one of the RAM sticks out, however, let it post. I'm thinking that same stick is the stick that's bad. It wasn't a coincidence. It was not me not putting it in all the way. No, it was just bad. So why it didn't work at first, but then later, usually if you have bad RAM, not always, usually the computer won't post. Now at first it did that, but then when it did do its first post, I put that same RAM back in and it still worked. I don't know. Anyhow, so this next clip here, I've already determined one stick for sure is bad. I'll do it off camera. It's very consistent, so just kind of follow it. The weird thing is, it's the most unstable, or the most stable unstable machine I've dealt with. I could do a Call of Duty or anything else for hours and hours and be fine. Other times I turn it on and immediately get a blue screen. It was weird. But, inconsistent or intermittent problems with it. So I determined that this RAM stick has to be bad. So I've already found the argument with Corsair. The next you'll see me doing the cable management and changing out. I have, for a test part, I was being very thorough. I put out the bad stick, and after a while, nothing wrong with it. I put the bad stick back in it then, by itself, had issues. So I know the one stick, it's fine, the other stick, it's got problems. and I'm sure this stick is bad. The one in the system, and you see it next, is the bad stick. I'll pull that out and then put the good one back in. I have the RMX already filed Corsair. We'll go to that next. I'll come back to you guys at the end. Talk some more. Alright, back to working on the new build. One thing I just now noticed, I had this card for months, there's stickers still on here. I fucking hate these things. Like, I'm not gonna catch really a goddamn thing. This is so fucking dumb. I'd rather risk it getting stretched than leave this shit on there. Idiots. I think it's so fucking stupid. Alright, anyhow. I get this off now, I'm seeing. Come here. Yeah. Got two things to do. One, swap the RAM out. Two, fix the fans to the light up. And three, cable management. Hopefully I remember to do the clip before explaining why the one RAM is in here and not the other. This is the bad stick. I just didn't take it apart last night to change it back out. I did it off camera. I wasn't full sanity. Now I know you are a problem. Yeah, really, it worked for an hour and a half to find out I've been playing Call of Duty, so right on me that one. But I need reliability, so we're gonna go back to the working stick. I've already filed the RMA with Corsair last night. Still waiting to hear back from them. And I'm being there until I hear back from them. How they're gonna handle that. I'm sure the automatic because they've been good back before. But right now, for the kill, we're using the fans to light up. I'm gonna flip this over. This is heavy. Pretty good. Okay. Alright. So where's the cable from those fans is? Okay. Here are 1, 2, 3. Okay. I did order stuff to make this work. You go over here at the top, which is our pass through, and then into these 3 wires down here for the cooler fans. I got an extender and a splitter if I need it. I don't need the splitter. I have the extender too. What is this? This is a 2-way split. Why did I get 2? Or did I buy a 3? I'm missing a bag. Shit. Why do them both? Bitch. Hi back. Duh, this is over here. For this. This must be for these So these are. Bitch. I thought I had both down here, but yeah. What are these? Just the extenders. Alright. You see them. Fuck. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna come find out the rest, but if I order one, I'm looking at that one. So let's take some of these. They have like a nail color. Boom. You can plug into these cables. Do some weird shit in yours. We need one nail header there. One nail header there. Okay. How far off will this cable's reach? Not very. That's nice. Alright. Question is, we're gonna hook this guy into, oh yeah, you're kidding me. Fuck. That won't fit in there, really? Lovely. That's a fan cable, that's why, dumbass. Is there a fan or a RGB outlet on there? What the fans are? No. I don't think so. That's the motherboard one. And split it again there. Fuck. Alright, let's take the two shorter cables here. And there are 4 pins. The fans do spin, I hope, because they're going to the fucking radiator. But how should they go on? Here. Any markings on it? Those are not normal RGB cables. Wonder if you can probably do something. Alright, back. Alright, so looking online, NZXT, fuck you. These are proprietary cables. You need their fucking $30 pack controller. To which I say, fuck that and fuck you. I don't care. RGB isn't my thing. I don't really care for it. I have it fucking on it for a few cheap cables, but that, if I wanted it to, I would buy it. I don't fucking care about it, so fuck it. I'm not going to. Don't care. So we'll take the RGB cables and just bundle them away. Don't need them, don't care. Annoying? Sure. I care. No. So we'll say the problem is solved. Is it? No. I care. No. I don't care not to deal with that. But they'll act as normal fans and they'll be all fine in there. Alright, now for the cable management part. Let's see, I do have the ties now. Alright, this is all good. Minus this right here, but I can fix that in a minute. I can fix it right now, actually. I will say I ran that one pretty well. That off. Alright, let's see here. That cable should have gone in there, that's I think that was. I think you just bundle this shit together and call it fun and just bundle this up to down here. And call that, fuck it. Oop. I need to fix the GB controller too. It's hanging out a lot more than it should. Let's tie all of this. Down to here. Tie all this together. Hopefully that should run pretty well. So, I think I'm doing shit. Down here with the mouse. Do I care enough? I can bundle it all together, but I'd rather have the access down here than out here or up here. So you know what? I'm good with that. Lazy route? Sure. But fuck that. This up here we can tie down to there. Here. That in tight there. The kind of like shit in here? Yeah. Care. I don't like the way it looks, admittedly. I'm burning up again, but it ain't worth the time. Fuck it. One more thing to do. Take this cable. I have to do it, fuck it. Push it through here and deal with it. Ow. Get this in there. Let's put it to the other side. My lord, it looks so stupid with all the doors when I do it. Ties up first. There. Port tight. Around these. Sorry. All together. For the excess. Close them. Feed that guy through. Man, there was two up here. Bring it up here. More fucking things. Nice. Oh, here's the casings. Nothing too important, but come on, still good. Turn this around. The one thing, bring it around. I had to send both sticks back. Hoping to do is get advanced RMA. I'll pay for it, sort of. Get the new one, send that one back, get the refunded. Blah. I didn't have this done. Okay, that is going down there. That works. Nicest job? No. Definitely not, but down here in this, fuck it, who cares? This is neat, this is not one nice line, there's that there, boom boom. Other side looks nice and good. Minus that. Alright. I'll just get weird being the way it is. Sorry. No. Alright. My fucking bedroom. Well, no, it's not bad, but that's what being the replacement room I get. This build is done. For finally. Damn. It's been a while. Throw it back on it. Put it through left now. Open my butt. And the top there. There we go. Take it up. Listen. Hey, perfect, but it works. That build is now done. Finally. No, again. One more thing, of course. This is kind of in the video. The software side of things I did film. I might put it in the video, I might not. I'm going to be on video, I'm not sure yet. I want to end it off here though. It's been a long journey. It took me a long time to do this. Had some issues on the way. We're all good now. So, the RAM, I did get the new RAM. It has been installed. It's been there for a month or two now. By the way, when I found the last clip you saw me talking like this, and now, this is August. The video was filmed in like April and May. This is a long time later. Due to time and due to the fact I had to get the new RAM, get it in, and get the old RAM back in a short period of time. It had like 2 weeks, but I wanted to get it done out of the way. I did not film it. I honestly did not even unplug the computer. I turned it off, turned it aside, pulled the panel off, did the swap out, and that was it. Unplug the power, please. Unplug the power. I didn't. For you, unplug it, because I'm stupid and hopefully you're not. I did put the new RAM in though, and it's been fine since. I've had no issues with it. Everything's good to go. I did the advanced RMA. I had to buy the RAM from Corsair. They sent it. I sent the old stuff back, and they gave me my money back. I want to rephrase what I just said there. I didn't like how it sounded. Huge props to Corsair. Not many companies do this. Corsair handles their defective products well. I filled the RMA form. When I do RMA forms, first the RMA is to return a product. I filled the form, information, described the issue, a couple pictures that one. I made it very clear, very unarguable, this is the problem. What I mean by that is, I explained to them, okay, with this one, I got the RAM, it's a 2-pack. With one stick in it, I get blue screen, computer very unstable. With the other stick, it's just fine. That tells you right there that one stick RAM is bad. They cannot argue, well, are you sure it's not this? Are you sure it's not that? No. It's just one stick of RAM, it is bad, it is junk. I do think one slot on the board could be bad too, I'm not for sure on that one. But that one stick RAM was bad. Maybe a slot on the board too, but that's later fun. I used the same slot for both, and one worked. I used the same slot for both when I tested them. One worked in that slot, and one did not. I think that slot would be bad on that board. Anyhow. I'll figure that later when I wonder why I have issues with it. I used that slot, but anyhow. So, but not every company will handle RMAs that well. They'll try to lie or screw you over. Of course, you explain to them clear as day, it's your product's fault. Just send me a replacement, and they do. I had to buy it at first. I think I did the event RMA. I bought it first. I don't know if it's the part I caught or not. I buy it first, get the new product, and then send it one back. I got the money back, and it was all in pretty good time. No real delays. They received it. They got me the money. They received it and got me the money back pretty quickly. So all is good there. I was still absolutely buy Corsair because they make good stuff. I have 2 products that are better than them, and not much else. I have multiple cases, multiple power supplies, multiple systems of RAM. Have one bad power supply, one bad RAM. That's not much for all the shit I bought from them. So I will still absolutely use Corsair's products as long as they're still good, and they handle the RMAs well. And second power supply, I will do a separate video of testing the other power supply. Speaking of power supplies, I will do a separate video testing the other power supply I bought, make sure that still works, make sure that works at all. That will be me fixing up the old build and getting it back up and running for whatever I want to use it for. So because the old build, all I'm missing is really is SSD, and that's it. So, probably today I try to film this video, or go downstairs to the workbench and do that. Other than that, I'll keep you posted on any future upgrades or problems with this build. I've been using it for a few months now. I love it. It's great. Huge improvement over the old build. And yeah, a small hiccup there with the RAM. Other than that, they went pretty smooth actually. So that's good. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I did. A little bit extra. But I am glad that this is not my first build. So what it sucked, not my first build having issues. Well, the first one kind of did, but my first brand new build worked just fine. Corsair case, patched by RAM. You know, I stick with the good brands. So all my boards are Gigabyte. So, which are Gigabyte, I like both of them, so I can use them. Thank you for watching. I know it's been a long 3-part video. Definitely more difficult. Not the most difficult build I've done. I spent earlier, I think. But definitely a little trickier than usual. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Until next time, guys, take it easy.